Backing up your business financials automatically is one of the smartest moves you can make to ensure your records are safe, secure, and always accessible when you need them. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to back up your financials automatically so you don't have to worry about losing important data ever again. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your financial backup system in just a few clicks. First, let's talk about why automating backups is essential. Manual backups are time-consuming and error-prone, and they often don't happen as regularly as they should. With automatic backups, your data is regularly saved without you having to lift a finger, reducing risk and saving time. So, how do you back up your financials automatically? It's simpler than you think. We're going to use software that connects directly with your accounting system. For this example, we're using a software that integrates smoothly with QuickBooks and Xero, two of the most popular accounting platforms. The process will work for other platforms as well, and I'll show you how in a moment. To get started, first, you'll want to sign up for the software. I've tried several popular tools out there, and I found this one to be the most user-friendly and reliable, which is why I'm recommending it today. And yes, there's an exclusive free trial available for viewers of this channel, which you can find in the description below. Once you've signed up, you'll connect your accounting software to the backup system. This usually involves logging into your QuickBooks or Xero account and granting the software access to pull the data. This is totally safe, and the process takes just a few minutes. Next, you'll set up your backup schedule. You can choose to back up your financials daily, weekly, or monthly. I highly recommend setting it to daily for peace of mind. Make sure to choose a cloud storage option where your financial data will be securely stored. Google Drive, Dropbox, and other cloud services work great with this software. The software will now automatically back up your business financials on the schedule you set. You won't have to think about it again. Whenever you need to access a backup, you can easily retrieve it with just a few clicks. The best part is this backup system is encrypted, ensuring your sensitive financial data stays secure. Now, here's the key takeaway. Automating your financial backups is essential for business security and peace of mind. With the right software, you can ensure your data is always safe and available without the hassle of doing it manually. Let me quickly recap the steps. First, sign up for the software and link it to your accounting platform. Then, set your backup schedule and choose a cloud storage option. From there, let the software do the work for you. Before we close, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. Automating your business financial backups has never been easier. Thanks for watching.